My name is Susan Denison, and I am a licensed clinical social worker, and I have been in the field for roughly 25 years now. But then I kind of started studying more trauma work. I got deeply entrenched into that world and did several years training in particular programs, so I'm a trauma-informed therapist. I was dealing with mold and Lyme, and so I jumped on several different brain retraining programs and then came across the Gupta Program, which I tried them all and liked the best. What I like the most about it is the spiritual or meditative aspect of it, because I think that's really, really important in terms of helping the nervous system get more into play. The whole idea of brain retraining, meditation, being more mindful of thoughts, working to envision our future, feeling that future with an elevated emotion and a clear intention. All of those things can definitely lead us to health. The other really important component that I like about the Gupta Program is the parts work. I think that is absolutely essential. There are these parts that have gotten stuck in our subconscious programming from way long ago. Actually, we know that between the ages of 2 and 6, we're pretty much in a theta brainwave program, which is our subconscious programming, and that's where we got a lot of messages. So just to think them away or tell ourselves don't believe that or whatever, sometimes these patterns are so entrenched. And what I found doing this work and parts work is that it really, it seems to really help the neurology. So I'm really big into that. I'm really thankful to Ashok that he brings this component into this work, because it's very, very powerful, and it's obvious to me that that's where a lot of the healing can take place. So doing all the exercises and being aware of those parts is really crucial. If you don't rewire the brain into more of to get the nervous system to settle more, and if you're not working through the trauma, or at least healing the trauma in the nervous system, then there's, in my opinion, the healing is much, much more challenging. It's the brain retraining and the brain rewiring that's the healer. In my practice, I have people with chronic illness. I've had people with PTSD, with depression, anxiety. I think this program can help all of those things, again, because we're talking brain rewiring. My hope, again, is that I can encourage the people I work with to jump in, because this program is so comprehensive that there's so much to it. And if you dive in and you're really motivated and you're doing the work and just doing your best and not getting caught up in all your beliefs and et cetera, that can kind of hold you back or create more challenges, then my feeling is that you can move pretty fast in it. And it does take dedication and showing up for yourself. And if I can teach anybody that you're worth it, and showing up for yourself is a priority. And that's what we want to do, because that teaches us that we really do love ourselves and that we are worth it. We are worth healing. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. If you feel like you've been on the bandwagon like I was, of seeing every doctor everywhere and spending thousands upon thousands of dollars to regain your health, and it doesn't seem like anything's working, I think it's really, really important to kind of to take a peek at what might be driving that. And this program definitely helps support you in all of that and gives a really, really strong foundation. And I think from there up is really crucial in terms of healing. So I would say go for it. Absolutely. And it's wonderful. It really is. There's a whole community of people that you have access to. There's great coaches that you can access that can kind of keep you on track and really help. And they're very loving and non-judgmental. And what he's offering is really wonderful. It's like the full plate of everything you'd ever want.